George Danasakis. This is my second season in Tasca. This place is like my home. I come here as often as possible. I sail, I help with the chase boat. I was walking around Flushing Meadows Park and I ended up seeing the sailboats like they are today on the lake, and walked over to one of the dock masters, and they the next day they ended up calling me to come in for a class. And that's how I got started, yeah.
Oh, I love sailing. Sailing's in my blood. I love sailing. I'm gonna do it forever. I plan to become a captain here, and I plan to stay with the organization forever. I want to eventually pretty much own my own boat, sail to the different islands. That's personal. That's a personal goal. And then in terms of being a member of Tasca, eventually just teach, transfer the knowledge to new students.